Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And it's hurricane season. We want to talk a little bit about that today. But we're not going to be talking about what you probably think we're going to be talking about. We're actually not talking about the coast when it comes to hurricane season. We're actually talking about some of the hidden dangers most people don't think about. You know, some things that have hit areas of Birmingham, Alabama recently, Montgomery, Alabama. You know, what happens is this Gulf moisture comes up from these tropical storms and these hurricanes. So what happens is, while people on the coast are probably more prepared because they're used to dealing with it, you get this inland flooding. What recently happened in Birmingham, Alabama in late August of 2019, where they got large amounts of rainfall in a short amount of time, which caused flash flooding. Now, what throws people off from flash flooding is a lot of times these are areas that don't normally flood. So they don't see the need for flood insurance. But what happens is you drastically have rising water. Maybe it's 3 or 4 inches in half an hour, and there's just nowhere for it to go. And it only lasts a short amount of time. And so this is one of the inland dangers when it comes to areas like Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, where they see a lot of flooding, in areas like Pelham, Alabama, and Alabaster, Alabama. So areas that are lower or along rivers, like the Cahaba River, just like they did in late of August 2019 that caused a lot of flooding. So when this does happen though, you know, what kind of coverages can kick in to protect you? Well, remember, when it comes to a property, there's 2 scenarios that have to happen. Either 2 acres has to be flooded, or 2 properties or more have to be inundated by floodwaters. So that's how it works when it comes to properties. However, a lot of things that have happened, like what happened in Birmingham, where you had parts of downtown where cars were just flooded with water. This should fall under your comprehensive coverage on your auto insurance. But you do want to read your auto policy, because some companies do exclude flood coverage. That was a big problem with Hurricane Harvey. So if you've got questions about how this inland flooding is causing these issues in the Birmingham, Alabama area, the Montgomery, Alabama area, what to do, what are your flood insurance options? Please reach out to us. floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. Remember, when crap happens, we're here to help protect you when it comes to floods. We have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand your flood risk, like this one right here behind me, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property against flood losses and flood premiums. So when crap does happen, you're prepared. Thank you.